Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the Lumetri color from multiple clips in just one click. So before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and let's dive in. As you can see here in my timeline, every single video has a different Lumetri color. As you can see, Lumetri color 1, Lumetri color 2, and Lumetri color 3. So if I want to remove all these Lumetri color with just a click, all you have to do is to select them all and then right click and select remove attributes. Just uncheck the motion and opacity and time ramping and leave the Lumetri color. I'm gonna uncheck these two, and that's it. Now you're gonna remove all the Lumetri color from the clips. Click OK. As you can see, all the clips now have the same color profile. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all our upcoming videos, and goodbye.